So, welcome back. I'll be making smoked marlin deviled eggs today. Now, basically, what deviled eggs are is hard-boiled eggs, and you scoop out the middle, the yolk, and then you just mix up the yolk with some nice little stuff, anything you want, and then you put them back in. Voila, we're done. So today, I'm going to show you a twist on it, though. I'm incorporating smoked marlin, and also the yolk and drop. So this is really for more presentation purposes, not anything else. I'm just trying to get a variation on it. And I like beetroot too.
Trying to be elaborate. That's what I try to.
All right, okay. Ingredients are pretty much easy to find. We have some cream cheese here. We have mayonnaise. We have some smoked marlin, scallion, and we have the beetroot. And I mean, all of those are readily available in most supermarkets.
Right in the supermarket.
Yeah.
Why deviled eggs though? You know when I heard deviled eggs, me I say, oh, this come like that. With hot pepper on it.
Yes.
You can make it spicy if you want.
So you're definitely think hell and hell is hot.
I'm gonna pepper food this. I don't like spicy food, by the way.
No.
So.
I mean, that's a good idea. Like, I wouldn't mind a little pepper in this. Like,
No.
Please
No, we won't. We're just adding a little crap black pepper though for flavor. Not even a lot, just a little bit. I'm not even going to add a lot of any salt to this, and the reason being is that I tasted the marlin earlier, and I realized it's a little salty. All right, so if you look, all my eggs are nicely incorporated with everything else. It's just a nice creamy mixture here. I mean, you could use a mixer to do this, but I mean, really, you'd have to dirty up so many things. And then I have a piping bag here. I mean, you didn't have to use a piping bag. You could just use a spoon and spoon them back into the shell.
But you want to be elaborate.
I'm going to be a little elaborate.
Oh, that may say.
So
All day I get that in
See?
just to make it know.
Oh, Lord.
So where the piping bag come from? Because I need some of them things in my kitchen to look elaborate as well. So when I have
Can go St. Elizabeth to get that too.
St. Elizabeth?
Yeah.
No problem. No problem. Big up St. Elizabeth, everything there.
There are certain supermarkets and stores, the specialty stores that, or even, no, some supermarkets, you can get piping
get the
bags in some
piping,
supermarkets.
yeah.
That's true.
So you have your marlin and everything in here, right?
Yes. No, I want you to just drop a little bit of marlin inside. Just a small amount at the bottom. I'm going to put some at the bottom, and then I'm going to put some at the top as well.
Yeah, try to be more elaborate. All day I get to it.
All right. I believe I deserve it. I believe I deserve it. I believe I deserve it fully. And then we're done.
Easy.
Easy,
20
easy.
minutes, 30 minutes and it's done.
Yep.
So what if I want it warm?
All right, so let me pop these in the microwave for you to
Yeah.
warm it up.
No, I actually want them cold.
I want
them
mine
cold.
warm.
Okay, all right. So we're taking
So-
customized orders. So I warmed up Stacey's own in the microwave. But really and truly, when you're doing this, you really wouldn't have had to put the eggs in the fridge, so they wouldn't have had to be cold. All right?
Unless you want them cold.
Unless you want them cold. Or you know, you're doing an event or something and you want to get yourself organized from before, and you pre-boil the eggs and put them in the fridge, so the next day you just bam, bam, bam. You know?
Coming down that, me not get money, you know.
You can't manage one more than two, right?
No, man, too good, man. When I move crave, you know.
No, you can have more.
What I want to know, though, is this finger food or where I use
It's
knife
finger
and fork
food.
and them things?
But whatever you feel like doing.
All right, cool. So cheers. Bon appetit.
You know what I mean?
I eat, man.
It's a
Base.
breakfast tomorrow.
The morning, add it up. And this me have for breakfast tomorrow.
It tastes like bacon.
It tastes like marlin.
It tastes like bacon.
It tastes like marlin.
It tastes like bacon. Nice.
It tastes like smoked.
All right,
marlin.
Rasta. All right.
This is Tailored for Taste. We'll be right back.